know that feeling when you pick up a book and it feels like you're transported to a whole new world? Well, today let me take you to the sunlit beaches and winding lanes of Goa through 1,000 kilograms of Goa by Rohan Govenkar. सो यूमिकॉन्स, अगर गोवा के नाम से ही दिल खुश हो जाता है तो ये किताब डेफिनेटली आपके लिए है. So let's dive straight into it. 1,000 kilograms of Goa is not your typical book about Goa's beaches and laid back vibes. It's packed with mystery, adventure, and some laugh out loud moments written by Rohan Govenkar. This book takes you on a roller coaster ride through Goa's hidden alleys, old Portuguese homes, and secret treasure hunts. Think of it as a mix of adventure and suspense with a sprinkle of Goan charm. So the story kicks off with an intriguing premise. An old map, a cryptic clue, and a group of misfits who are dragged into a treasure hunt they never saw coming. Goenka's writing is fast-paced and engaging with just the right amount of humor to keep things light. मेरे को तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे लगा जैसे एक एडवेंचर फिल्म चल रही है और मैं उसका एक कैरेक्टर हूँ. And yes, so that's how I felt towards the end of the story. The descriptions are vivid but not overdone, and the dialogues are sharp, making the characters feel alive. At its core, the book explores themes of courage and the thrill of chasing the unknown, but what makes it unique is how it weaves in Goan culture. The festivals, the food, and even the quirks of the locals. It's as if the story couldn't happen anywhere else but Goa. Now, here's a little personal story. My older sister bought this book, but like most of her impulse buys, it was left unread. And जब वो लेके आई थी first time इसको, so I was like, ये क्या उठा लाई, by like judging its cover and the title. So one day I picked it up and thought, let's give it a try. And honestly, I wasn't expecting much. मुझे लगा एक usual story होगी, but a few chapters in, I was hooked. The twists and the turns, the clues leading to unexpected places, and the hilarious situations the characters found themselves in. It was so much fun to read. Towards the end of the story, to be honest. स्टार्टिंग में तो मेरे को ऐसे लगा कि क्या ही चल रहा है, थोड़ा स्लो पेस था, बट टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ it was really fun for me. Also, one more thing, I don't remember exactly, but this might be my first or second लॉन्ग नॉवल जो मैंने पढ़ी थी. उसके बाद ही मैंने नॉवेल्स पढ़नी स्टार्ट की थी. दो आई यूज़ टू रीड सो मच इन माई चाइल्डहुड ऑल्सो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें दैट आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन इन सम अदर वीडियोज़. बट लॉन्ग नॉवेल्स जो लाइक इतनी मोटी मोटी वाली जो बुक होती हैं, मे बी या तो वो मेरी द पैलेस ऑफ इल्यूजन्स मैंने लाइब्रेरी में जो देखी थी वो थी, या तो ये थी. बट ये वाली मैंने घर पे पढ़ी थी एंड वो वाली स्कूल पे. सो आई डोंट नो कि कौन सी थी, बट ईदर ऑफ द टू, दोनों में से कोई एक ही थी. एंड इट वॉज लाइक दोनों ही मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. वो वाली तो मेरी फेवरेट है, द पैलेस ऑफ इल्यूजन्स, बट दिस ऑल्सो लाइक interested me so much. Okay, so enough of my personal stories. Let's get back to our book review. And now let me tell you about the characters. There is the reluctant protagonist who is thrown into this madness, the quirky friend who is full of one-liners, and the mysterious stranger who seems to know more than they let on, and the treasure hunt itself. It's filled with moments that make you go like, oh my god, ab kya hoga, ab kya hoga. The book has this incredible way of pulling you into the action, making you feel like you're solving the mystery alongside the characters. And so what are my final thoughts on this? 1,000 kilograms of Goa is a solid 4 out of 5 stars for me. It's not without its flaws, कुछ जगह pace slow हो जाता है, but overall it's a fun, thrilling read that keeps you guessing till the end. If you're into mysteries, treasure hunts, or just want to feel like you are on a wild adventure, this book is for you. And सो दैट्स माई रिव्यू ऑफ 1000 kilograms ऑफ गोवा. अगर आपको ट्रेजर हंट्स, मिस्ट्रीज और गोवन एडवेंचर्स पसंद है तो ये बुक ज़रूर पढ़िए. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट्स व्हाट्स द मोस्ट एडवेंचरस बुक यू हैव रेड रिसेंटली. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द प्योनी शेल्फ फॉर मोर बुकिश कंटेंट. एंड तब तक के लिए हैप्पी रीडिंग एंड ऑल्सो अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. May this year bring a lot of luck and lot of abundance for all of us. ऑल्सो वन मोर पर्सनल थिंग, आई हैव नेवर बीन टू गोवा एंड मेरे को आस पास आसार दिख भी नहीं रहे हैं कि मैं जा सकती हूँ. बट लेट्स होप, fingers crossed, and bye. Until the next time we meet again here on the Peony Shelf.